for the best business in plants and nursery, Pearl SA to Pearl Plants.
Welcome back, my beautiful people, to the next Billionaire Business Show. Today, I am joined by Nomzamo Bata, not that one, but who I call the plant lady. Hey, girl.
Hi.
How you doing? So you actually won the award for the most unique, I would say in the most unique category. Yes. Can you just tell us more about that?
So igama is Sishilo NGO Nomzamo Bata. Also Escape Plants and Port Shepstone KZN.
I'm sorry to cut you off. Did you say your name is also Angie?
No.
Oh, I thought you said your name was also Angie.
IGN1.
Oh. Period.
So we saw from that nursery Escape Plants in 2020 to Saibambile until now. So last year, I saw this nominated for a category Kumlando. Creative plants and nursery.
Girl, tell me, how did it feel hearing your name on
it
that stage?
It was I couldn't even stand up, if I remember. It was very hard to even stand up and yell at the stage. I don't remember the speech I gave out on stage. That's how shocked I was. I was very shocked.
I can imagine.
Yes, yeah.
And post winning the award, any change in business, new clientele?
With business, for a certain time. Business,
Ups and downs, yeah.
You just have to keep on showing your work. Because also I've been doing it online most of the time. So but I'm still at it. Business is still going great in this area, and the work is outstanding.
Yeah.
I even have to courier to in Dawang and I born. So look in Dawang because most of the time I'm a plant army. Jobang what I saw online, I have to courier them via courier services and 170. So Ugbona, other places that I didn't have before winning Ama Awards with Develop TV.
Period.
Yes.
Period. Yeah, something happened.
Yeah, there's improvement, there's growth.
I feel like the word plant is very vague.
Yes.
Can you give us more information on what types of plants do you have?
Oh, it's potted indoor plants the most.
Okay.
So when I mean potted, I mean there are potted roses. There are potted roses. Those roses come from a pot. So I deal mostly with potted roses. And my plants are indoors. My plants are endlini asidili kakhulu into asemnyango ezinkulu ngoba lezo zenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi ngiposela abantu because I'm mostly online based and umuntu ngiyaze ayithenge into let's say 100 rand and then because now it's big it's going to end up being more
expensive. Yeah.
So I do mostly with portable small plants. Yes.
Oh, that's actually amazing. I have a quick question for you. If you had to describe yourself as one of your plants, how would you describe yourself?
I would describe myself as, should I name it?
Yeah.
It's the snake plant. The scientific name is Sansevieria. It's not a snake.
Oh, of course, Angel.
The scientific name is Sansevieria. And then elinye igama abayibiza ngabathi mother-in-law's tongue. So
mother-in-law's tongue?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Mother-in-law. Very harsh.
Very quick.
Yes.
Okay.
We don't usually once and it's done.
Yeah.
I would describe myself as a person who once I say a record on something, I make sure it is really. I don't have to repeat myself. Yeah.
How would you promote healthy lifestyles through your business? I don't know if this question makes sense to you.
Healthy lifestyles through my business. Well, I'm a plant people. I need to
oxygen. Of course.
Oxygen. Angazi basiqala igama elinzima bathi photosynthesis.
Yes, that's the one.
Ama-plants akwazi ukuclean i-space sakho. They cleanse the energy. That's the plants I deal with. They cleanse the energy. They bring positive vibe. Khona akwazi ukuthi akulalise better at night. Kunakwazi ukuthi adrawe i-anxiety out of you. Ubona imbali siyifaka ithatha i-energy yakho. So I would definitely promote ama-plants ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi you need plants in your space because ayakusiza la osukukhona. Izinto ezenzakalayo emoyeni that you can't see, but the plants absorb leyo nto and take it through them, through the air.
I want to say, I'm going to ask you a very, I guess, sensitive question.
Yeah.
Prepare to get sad. But as a young South African Black woman, when it comes to funding, how are you navigating that?
You did say sad.
I did say sad.
To say cool manje, uma sekubhekela phaya u-35 so
girl.
Amathemba nje abuya aphela Nkosi yami ukuthi hayi sho sigcina ngayitholanga nami funding. So umuntu uyake aphushe ngalendlela aphusha ngayo kunzima phela futhi namabhizinisi ukuthi u-discipline sometimes yabo. So ukuthi uyahamba ama-business meetings and all that. Bazotshela ukuthi i-salary fanele uzinikeze once a month like an employed person, and then kube nama-challenges ukuthi ngilambile. What am I supposed to do? So lawo ma-challenges lawo abanzima uma ukuthi ngempela awunayo i-funding. So kusanzima. I don't know how to put it. It makes me sad actually.
Just in 2 words, how could you inspire another young Black girl that is trying to get into business? Just 2 words.
Just do it. 2 words.
That's already just do it. That's enough.
That's enough. Keep pushing. Umsebenzi wakho ayikho umuntu ozokwenzela, ayikho umuntu ozokuphushela wena except yourself. Market yourself as hard as you can out there. Abantu bazokubona. They might not show interest kuwena, but they see you. So just don't give up. Yeah.
Okay. And I have one last question for Ms. Mbata. Are you the next billionaire?
Abanye nje ngizamile ukuqhoka nje next billion. Ngiyamanifesta le mpilo as hard as possible. Ngizofika khona.
I love that. Listen, dress the part if you want to be the part. That is the end of this episode, and we will catch you next week.